Warli painting is one of the most famous tribal paintings of India. In this series of painting, first we will learn basic shapes to form human figures, then we will see different borders, then we will learn birds, after that animals, and then we will learn trees. Then we will take samples from each of the lessons and finally compose a beautiful painting. In the last 3 videos we have learned Warli motifs, Warli borders and basic figures. If you haven't seen that, don't worry, I have given every links to the description box, or you can also go to my channel where I made playlists for that. In this video we will learn few more figures that is remaining. At the end I will share you a guide for your practice. The password is inside the video, so watch the full video for more details. With that being said, let's roll the intro. As we come to the end of this video, I believe you got the password. Just download the PDF from the description and print it in a A4 size paper. After that, we need to follow the right part and exactly draw the same in the left part. And the best part is it's completely free. Practice once. I guarantee you to improve your artwork. Please send all of your artworks and practice sheets in my Instagram DM. Also, don't forget to follow me, as there I regularly update which of the paintings I'm doing right now.